Hey everybody, this is Lester here, and I wanted to share a really quick review on this Alpine in-dash digital receiver. This is the Alpine ILX-W650. Right now, here in 2023, in the month of almost end of September here, you can get this at Best Buy if you can find it for $300, which is a great deal. This is installed here in a very old 2000 Land Cruiser, and I could not want anything else in here but this unit. I think it's perfect in here. The install wasn't too bad for your Land Cruiser. This whole entire bezel comes out. Some people want to use a plastic tool, but I just got my fingers in under here and I popped it out I popped the bottom out first, and then I just kind of ran my fingers up, getting to the top, pull it out, tip it back, and then you unplug all of your connections here and go to town with your wiring. The only thing with this unit, let me turn the vehicle on so you can see how pretty. The only thing with this unit is there is a wire that you need to have tied into your parking brake in order to change certain settings, but the remedy for that, I didn't really feel like hunting down my parking brake wire, so the remedy was I ran a ground wire here to the body underneath the dash here, and then I dropped that wire that's supposed to go into the park and brake right down into the ashtray, and whenever I need to access them settings, I'll just plug in. So I don't really use the ashtray because I don't smoke, so that was my solution to it. Other than that, I ran the mic right here and the Apple CarPlay wire, and I was able to kind of just smush that down, and it's just fine right there. And yeah, this thing fits up perfectly. I did not need a dash kit. You will need to buy a plug though to fit your harness. Luckily for me, I didn't have to do that because I replaced a aftermarket unit that already had a plug there. But as far as how this runs, it's excellent. It's made my vehicle speakers sound better. The touch responsiveness is night and day compared to the old JVC that I had in here. It's super responsive. The buttons there's no click buttons, they're only touch buttons, and they're, in my opinion, excellent. There's no lag, there's no delay, and yeah, the screen looks really great. Apple CarPlay works perfect. When I plug in, I can do my phone calls and GPS and stuff, and yeah, overall, this Alpine ILX-W650 is by far the best in-dash unit I've ever had in any vehicle I've ever had, and I highly recommend it for the 100 series Land Cruisers. It looks great, and you're going to be really happy with it if you go ahead and get it. So, all right, that's my quick review on the Alpine in-dash unit. Thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you in that next one. Bye-bye now.